TS Diving, or night. You're going to do a quick after clean video of Overbooked. She cleaned up good. But both of the shaft sinks, I don't know if they weren't tightened correctly or what happened with how this ended up happening, but they're both spun off and going into the strut. But I got them loose and they need to be replaced. Let's go take a look. Besides those shaft sinks, the barnacle and T-worm glue, I found a lot of about half-inch barnacles and a couple of the running gear spots. So we need to keep an eye on that, and as we're coming the next time, go ahead and try and get as much of this glue off as we can. I'm going to put a little more time into it, but it's pretty bad. TS Diving, thank you very much.